Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore More Learn. I hope you all are keeping yourself protected. Today's video is about common errors in written English, which many people do. And sometimes it becomes very difficult to find out errors in written English, right? Especially for a person who is appearing for a competitive exam, it becomes difficult for him to choose an error in the given sentences and he gets confused. But that confusion can be avoided if he knows the reason for that error, right? So in this video today, I'll talk about 6 common errors in written English. And if you watch this video till the end, you will definitely get something informative and it can be useful for you. Okay? But before starting this video, I want to remind you, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe it by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Okay, so let's start this video quickly. First, I'll give you 2 or 3 sentences and you try to choose the incorrect one out of those sentences. Okay, then I'll tell you the right answer. I'll tell you the incorrect and correct sentences and explain the reason for that error also. Okay, so let's start. This will be the first error. He cannot do this work. He cannot do this work. Can you just choose the correct sentence? Alright, now I'll tell you. This one is incorrect. Here I'm talking about written English. That means an error in written English. So first one is incorrect and the second one is correct. Why? Alright, now I'll tell you the reason for that error. In written English, cannot is not written separately in a sentence. If you write them separately, then this will be incorrect. So cannot is written altogether without any space between can and not in written English. Okay? Remember it. So you'll write it, he cannot do this work, and that will be correct. Okay, so this is the first very common error which many people do. So remember it. Now the next one. I'll give you another sentence. If he goes there, he will get help. If he goes there, then he will get help. So which one is correct? Can you choose? Please try to choose the correct one. And you can write in the comment box below if you get the right answer. If you do not get, then also please be honest and give your comment. Okay, so if he goes there, he will get help. If he goes there, then he will get help. So which one is correct and which one is incorrect? Okay, now I'll tell you. So the first sentence is correct and the second one is incorrect. What's the reason? In conditional sentences like if he goes there, he will get help, we do not write them. Then is replaced by comma. Okay, so we use comma in place of then when we write conditional sentences, okay, which begins with if. Okay, remember it. Alright, now I'll talk about the next error. He comes to my house often. He often comes to my house. So which one is correct? Can you choose which one is correct and which one is incorrect? Alright, don't forget to write your correct answer in the comment box. Okay, now I'll tell you the answer. He comes to my house often is incorrect. He often comes to my house is correct. What's the reason behind it? Often is an adverb of time and it is placed just before the verb it modifies. So here often is modifying the verb comes, that's why it will be placed just before comes. We cannot place it in the end. Alright, so remember it. Adverbs of time like often, always are placed just before the verb they are modifying. Okay, so the second one is correct. Alright, now just check out the next error. I'll give you 2 pairs of sentences. I made him to work with us. I made him work with us. Next pair, you need not go there. You need not to go there. So here, 2 sentences are correct and 2 sentences are incorrect. Just try to find out them. Okay, now I'll give you the answers. I made him to work with us is incorrect. I made him work with us is correct. You need not go there is correct. You need not to go there is incorrect. What's the reason behind this error? Now I'll tell you. Here you see, I made him to work with us. We are using infinitive to after made. That's why this is incorrect. And here also, you need not to go there. We are using infinitive to after need. So remember, we cannot use this infinitive to after the verbs like make and need. Okay? If you do so, that will be an error. So remember, do not use this infinitive to after the verbs like make and need. This is the past form of make. Then also you cannot use to after this. Okay? So I made him work with us. You need not go there. Okay? You need not to go there will be incorrect. Remember it. I hope you have understood it. Alright, now the next error. I'll give you the 3 sentences and you try to choose the correct and incorrect ones. Okay? As he worked hard, therefore he got the reward. As he worked hard, he got the reward. He worked hard, therefore he got the reward. Can you choose the correct and incorrect ones? You can write your answers if you get the right one in the comment box below. Okay? Now I'll tell you the right answers. As he worked hard, therefore he got the reward will be incorrect. As he worked hard, he got the reward will be correct. He worked hard, therefore he got the reward will be correct. Why is it so? Now I'll tell you. As and therefore, these are 2 conjunctions. And 2 conjunctions should be avoided to be used in a sentence. Okay? So we should avoid overuse of conjunctions. That's why here in the next sentence, therefore is replaced by this comma. Because we have this conjunction as here. So as he worked hard, this is very obvious that this comma means therefore. He got the reward. Okay? And in the same way here, he worked hard because we don't have as here. So he worked hard. Therefore we can use because we have only one conjunction in this sentence. So he worked hard, therefore he got the reward. So that's why sentence number 2 and 3 are correct. Okay? Now I'll talk about the last error. I invited only 5 people. I invited 5 people only. I only invited 5 people. Can you choose the correct and incorrect ones in these sentences? Now I'll tell you. I invited only 5 people is correct. I invited 5 people only is incorrect. I only invited 5 people is correct. Why is it so? How do we use only when we write a sentence? I'll tell you. Here you see only is used before 5. So we use only. Just before the word it modifies. Okay? So I invited only 5 people. That means here you are talking about only 5 people. Okay? So I invited only 5 people. So only is placed just before the word it modifies. Okay? When you want to convey that only 5 people were invited, you will use only just before 5. I invited 5 people only will be incorrect because here only is not modifying any word in the sentence. That's why it is incorrect. But here I only invited 5 people is correct. Why? Because here the person, the speaker, is talking about that he has only invited 5 people and he has done nothing else. Okay, so I only invited 5 people and did nothing else. So in this way, only is placed just before the word, it modifies. Okay, I hope you have got it. Alright, again, I will remind you, if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe it by pressing the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. And please press like and share it with your family members and friends. Very soon I'll bring another video tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.